Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you hear no sound during calls on your VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. So if you receive a call from someone and you cannot hear the person you are talking to, you can first of all try increasing the volume level by pressing the volume up button until it fills the entire volume bar, and also make sure that you are increasing the call volume in here, which has a phone indicator at the bottom of the bar, and also you can try to enable speaker on your phone to hear the person better. And if this doesn't help you, you can try to clean the earpiece of your either the speaker or the earpiece of your phone with a soft brush. First of all, just remove your phone's protective case. Carefully, and carefully remove any debris that could be stuck inside your earpiece or your speaker on your phone. Now also try to test your phone with another call or application, for example WhatsApp. Try to restart your phone by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe this middle circle to the right to reboot your device, and then try again. And then also try disabling Bluetooth, because maybe you have some Bluetooth device connected to your phone and the sound from your smartphone gets rerouted to another device, to a Bluetooth device you're connected to. And as a last resort, you can go to settings, go to system management, select reset, and reset your network settings. Tap reset, confirm, and then try to check your call, your sound volume during calls once again. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.